Software Spring. Presents. How to use frequency in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the frequency function to get the frequency distribution of data. Let's begin right away with an intro to frequency. Frequency returns frequency distribution of data based on distribution intervals. Frequency is an easier alternative to using COUNTIF to get count of data. What is the syntax of the frequency function formula? Here is the syntax. Let's look at an example. Data is the one-column range of values. Classes is the range with distribution intervals. Okay, let's work on an example. First, type the equal to symbol, (fr), and select frequency. For data, select this range. Key point. To select a range, click on the first cell of the range, and shift-click on the last cell of the range. Type comma. For classes, select this range. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press Enter. There you go. Frequency has returned the frequency distribution. This is the count of values, less than, or equal to, 100. This is the count of values, greater than, or equal to, 101, and less than, or equal to, 200, and so on. This is the count of values, greater than the maximum value. Quick review. Frequency returns frequency distribution of data using specified distribution intervals. The frequency function formula is frequency, or COUNTIF, can be used to count values, but the later takes more effort. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.